Calling all RV enthusiasts, I've got an exciting camper that we're going to cover today. It's the 2024 Keystone Springdale 220 ML. It is their regular lineup, so it's feature rich. Not a big camper. It comes in, I think, under 27 foot, so it's really cool floor plan with a big slide out that you're going to be excited, hopefully just as excited with you today. And a side note, we have our friend Willie today. She's a little kind of crazy today with the warm weather and the bugs, but hopefully we'll get through this blooper free. If not, have a good laugh at our expense. All right, again, I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RV. Let's cover this Springdale 220 ML model. All right, it's full-blown RV season here at Beckley, so we are packed with campers ready for their new home. So apologize, it's a little tight here today. We're gonna go over some of the exterior features again on this Springdale 220 ML. As you know me, I love patio time. This camper's got a nice big awning. Of course, we don't have it out right now to really accentuate how big it is, but as you can see, it's pretty much full length or full length of the side of this camper. So we can really get it out, keep ourselves shaded maybe from that blaring summer sun, or protect ourselves from that nice little drizzle rain that may blow up at the campsite. And patio time wouldn't be anything without entertainment. We've got you covered on this Springdale. We have electric for your TV. We have a cable hookup for your TV, radio with the 2 speakers on the outside that we can control from the inside to get all those tunes and entertainment going. And patio time gets a little sloppy. I like the location of the outside shower over here. It's not necessarily a shower in my mind. I do a lot with this. Clean up the kids' feet, clean up my dishes, have it as an extra water source, especially if we're out here cooking, cleaning up some utensils in between some of those big meals. When we get into our campground, we have power jacks that we can extend just forgive Willie, she's a little skittish today. We can easily push those buttons and lower those stabilizer jacks and get camp on that much faster. On the backside, of course, your spare tire. Up top, it is pre-wired with a backup camera and a ladder. This is an awesome walk-on roof that is very sturdy to be able to get up there and check all your sealants and some of your plastic covering. But also the backup camera is essential. You get into some of those new campsites, especially at night or maybe a wooded area. Wouldn't it be nice to have some visibility back here from your driver's seat, especially if you don't have a quick backup partner at your expense? So just a couple features hope you like on the Springdale 220 ML. All right, we're inside the 2024 Keystone Springdale 220 ML with my buddy Willie. She's again a little skittish, so I'm sure we're gonna get some surprises on this video. Anyway, I want to cover a lot of the cool features and the layout inside of this floor plan. I'm super excited. It's the first time I've been in this floor plan. It just really caught me right off the bat coming into the floor plan. It's not a super big camper, which I'm all about, but yet in the small footprint, it has a big slide that gives us a ton of floor space that you'll see throughout the video. And we'll try to hit maybe a couple bullet points that we think that this camper or this floor plan would be ideal if you have a 4-legged furry friend like Willie. Anyway, up front, let's dive into this. Up front, we've got a nice big bedroom area. The queen bed size here with a lot of storage overhead that you can throw some book bags and some loose gears. Shirt closets on either end that you can hang some garments, and then each side has, I guess you'd kind of call it kind of like a nightstand with electric outlets, so that way we can, as we retire at night, we can throw our cell phones and our mobile devices on a charger. But I did note kind of first thing, especially with her being in the camper, the bed was a little higher than the typical bed, which I don't mind, but she may mind, or if you have a smaller dog. I think it was cool, like they have like this carpeted section on the side here, so it was easy, much easier for her to navigate up into the bed using that kind of step stool, if you will. It is a warm day today, so we have all the windows open, and you can definitely, we definitely felt like a difference that you got windows here at the bed, opposite side of the slides, big windows. So whether you just want some natural light or a nice day like today to get some natural free breeze in through the camper to get some airflow, I thought it was really, really nice. Floor space, as I mentioned, very wide, a lot of, as you can see here with the big deep slide, we've got a lot of floor space here to utilize, especially on those rainy days or those surprise cold temps that might be stuck inside. But definitely need to note a couple things on the floor. Vinyl throughout, even the slide out is covered in vinyl. So again, furry pet that comes along camping with us, so much easier to clean, right? You can just take a quick Swiffer or a vacuum cleaner to it. And also the floor registers, I gotta note, they're not those standard metal floor registers that I've had so much customer comments in the past that they're concerned with, or even happened where their the dog or cat's nails have gotten caught. So very easy to not only keep clean, but a nice little safety aspect to the floor registers. All right, dumping into the booth side of the camper. I have always loved having the booth on the patio side. We're sitting here eating breakfast, having our morning coffee, or especially those times that we were finishing up our meal and the kids wanted to go out inside and play, gave me a nice visibility to our patio side with them being outside, me in here, just a nice, also secure, feeling to that moment. We've got storage up above. We've got space for a TV that you can dump in here if you want to catch some of your favorite shows while you're camping. All the blinds do, I failed to mention earlier, do have a nice fabric blind that you can pull out, have some privacy, or knock out some of that sunny light. I'm thinking sunny D, I'm thirsty. Some extreme sun. You can convert this into a bed, which I like. So especially Keystone's bragging that this sleeps 6. So obviously the queen bed that we've already hit, but you can easily dump this into a bed. Let's show you. And there you go, you can sleep maybe one adult corner to corner, or this is where the kids, when they were small for me, they slept here, so we had 2 kids. Wanna get up, Willie? But as you notice, that quick trigger on that tabletop, put your foot on the foot on the base and easily transition, so you don't have to worry about that weight or that cumbersome tabletop that you have to loosen. Easy peasy, swing down in place and make yourself a nice bed. Real quick here, while we're on this side, before we move to the other side, got a big storage here that's shelved off, so we can throw and maybe like a lot of our pantry items or our toiletries and our linens in here. All right, moving to the opposite side. Keystone's calling this another bed, so you have a futon style sofa. Not so big. I don't know if we're gonna sleep 2 there. Again, they're saying we can sleep 6 in this floor plan. You might have to use that big floor space for a sleeping bag to get someone, more than 2 on here. But I do on the positive side, I like the fact that it's not a full sleeper sofa, because if we were sitting here by day, we have plenty of floor space to especially if we got people, high traffic flow. But if it was a full sleeper sofa, easily that would bump out into the booth and completely block off this traffic area, especially at night. Somebody's up front, needs to go to the back to the bathroom. Again, a big window for a lot of air and flow and lighting. Got a little countertop I can throw my beverage in opposite the TV, so I'm very comfortable sitting here just chit-chatting or watching some TV. Whether you got 2 or you got 6, you're gonna need a big refrigerator. We've got a nice 12-volt refrigerator freezer here, very, very deep, very wide, to get all kinds of yummy goodies inside there to cook up. And speaking of cooking, of course we have our traditional microwave, but we do have a 3-burner stove top here. Quick, get some food going. Nice little oven to throw maybe my morning biscuits in there. Gonna have some biscuits and gravy. And I like the counter space that's utilized here too. So if you got cooking, you got some prep area, you can do it all right here. But if all this space here with all these drawers isn't enough, we've got a nice big area below the stove to throw maybe perhaps the big pots and pans, or even maybe some bottled water or something that you need out of the way that you don't need all the time. Little cabinet to the side of the microwave, maybe throw some extra plates and utensils there. Kitchen on the back side of the trailer, which is really cool. You're kind of out of the way doing your thing, cooking. So that way a high traffic flow area up front where everybody's maybe in and out grabbing drinks out of the refrigerator, watching TV, sitting at the booth, etc. This is out of the way, so it's not cumbersome. Big stainless steel sink with a lot more counter space. We do have outlets on both counters, so we can easily hook up our coffee pot or any other cooking utensils. Lots of storage at top here. Get all our plates and cups and plasticware and stuff. A little bit more storage below. And a nice big storage below the sink, so we can even hide that tall trash can in there, get it out of the way of the floor. All right, you with me so far? Last but not least, bathroom. Certainly didn't chintz on anything in the bathroom. We have a couple towel racks here, which I love. You know, it's just like a little $5 item, but when it's in the camper already, it just saves you time having to go to like a Home Goods or a housing store to pick this up, purchase it, and install it. Of course, toilet. We've got our sink with, again, a lot of storage, not only below, but also a nice medicine cabinet with a mirror and another outlet here, so we can, that way we have to, maybe do up our hair. We've got a plug. And they certainly didn't chintz on the shower. We've got a nice wide shower, a lot of height. Skylight adds not only light, but extra head height for those tall guys. I'm 6'1" to give you a reference point. So what do you think? That's all these cool features in this little footprint of a camper. It's the 2024 Keystone Springdale 220 ML. I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. Are you?
All right, so there you have it. Again, it's a 2024 Keystone Springdale 220 ML. Comes in just a finca under 27 feet. Weight-wise, sitting here, I think it's about 5,600 pounds. You have almost over 1,800 pounds of carrying capacity, way more than you probably need. But if you want to be safe or sorry, or more safe than sorry, you need a tow vehicle that can pull essentially about 7,500 pounds. So great size camper that easily get back behind a half-ton truck. Not a big footprint, so you'll be able to get at any campgrounds. And as far as the water capacities as well, you have, I think, 46 gallons of fresh water, and it was 40 gallons of gray and black water at your disposal. So by no means is it a small camper when it comes to the water capacity. So boondockers over the weekend, this has got you covered. So I hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up. Comment below on your first impressions or anything that you have any questions to. Love to answer them for you. And show us along. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey D with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.